Notion Systems is a leading supplier of industrial inkjet printing systems for functional materials. We are based close to Heidelberg in Germany and support the world's leading manufacturers to produce their products in a more ecological and economical way. Notion has developed a modular, open inkjet platform, which can be adapted to end-user requirements in almost any respect without compromising process stability or precision print.
We started Notion because we saw that our team could advance additive inkjet production to a game-changing technology in electronics manufacturing. We at Notion have reduced this process to only one additive manufacturing step. Our technology produces zero waste and is much closer to our common goal of sustainability than the technologies that were used before.
Inkjet is a non-contact digital printing technology. It creates fine structures of 30 microns and below. Non-contact printing enables wet-on-wet processing of substrates. Because of the fully digital process, masks or screens are made obsolete. Inkjet is a highly integrated printing method. Several thousand nozzles are utilized to print at production speeds of up to 2 meters per second. Inkjet is used to replace established subtractive process sequences and reduces waste and energy consumption. This makes electronics production more ecological and more economical at the same time. With decades of experience, we bring precise inkjet systems to our customers and cover all steps for scaling digital inkjet printing processes from the lab to industrial production. The Fujifilm Dimatix Materials Printer is a benchtop materials deposition system designed for micro-precision jetting a variety of functional fluids onto virtually any surface. The modular design of the inkjet lab allows adapting the platform to your exact specification with industrial-grade components including full automation and environmental control. Electrohydrodynamic printing is a new high-resolution printing technology enabling maskless, direct-write, 3D, non-contact, conformal and additive patterning at the nanoscale with a variety of ink systems and materials. The inkjet display series prints functional layers for various display technologies including rigid, flexible OLED, QLED and LCD displays. The inkjet solder mask series increases process stability and enables new features in today's electronics production. This pushes the limits of current production technology for rigid and flexible circuitry on any substrate material. The entire solder mask cluster can be fully automated from pre-treatment to inkjet printing and final cure. The inkjet Semicon series offers a wide range of solutions for front-end as well as back-end processes in the semiconductor industry. The platform comes with integrated edge handling for any substrate type or wafer size. Inkjet plays an important role in the introduction of new or improved cell concepts. With the inkjet solar, we cover crystalline and thin film solar applications with inkjet. With the inkjet glass, various functional materials such as dielectrics, black mask inks and conductive materials can be applied with high precision and throughput. High precision, multi-material jetting opens new opportunities for 3D printing in various industries. The inkjet 3D is an open platform for 3D printing that gives you full control of your 3D printing process. Our modular inkjet platform can be adapted to any production layout, including stage platform, gantry platform, roll-to-roll platform, automation and pre- and post-treatment. Head assemblies in any configuration for almost any industrial print head, and stage sizes up to Gen 6 are possible. The entire system is designed and built in-house and easy to scale for various applications. Process development helps optimize various parameters such as print head selection, ink formulation, substrate choice, substrate preparation, printing speed and image resolution. By systematically adjusting these parameters, process development can enhance the printing quality, efficiency and reliability of inkjet printing. We support our customers worldwide from the first idea to the final process. We take them with us on a journey into the future. The future of additive manufacturing.